listen to that. Oh, lovely. Apart from birds singing. Well, it's about 7:20, folks, on a Tuesday morning. We've had Bank Holiday Monday. And if you're wondering why I get so early, that red car there, that's Paul the decorator. I'm pretty sure they won't mind me calling him because you're going to be meeting him later. But when I'm working, this in the UK, it's a country lane. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty reserved, and it's going to get busy in about the next hour or so. So I like to get a parking space. I don't want to be parking right at the top of there, and I don't want to be parking right down there because we've got to think of other people, especially neighbours. Consideration for other people. So this is where I park before everybody comes. So at the minute, it's just me and the decorator in the first house you can see, this one. And that's it. Speak soon. Bye bye. Well, I'm going to do it now through the galaxy because my little Olympus, it could only do about £1 hour at a time, even with a 32 gig card, and it just conks out, as you can see there. It's on charge. Red light spells, charging up. There it is, little Olympus. In fairness, it's been a good little camera. It's been all around different building sites and knocked and dropped and banged. It's an Olympus Tough, it's called, but it is pretty tough. Anyway, I've just sort of switched to Samsung, but I'll have a little bit of a breather before I go back into there. And let's have a look, see if there's anybody. Have we got anybody in the house? Is there anybody here? Who's this?
This is Charlie Two Trolls.
Oh, it's Charlie Quick Troll! It's Charlie Quiet Troll. It's Charlie Quiet Troll on a Tuesday. Try it, yeah. And look at this, I mean, I'll tell you what, right, I are a plasterer, so I don't know. But look at this. Well, I can't swear, it's going on, it could be on YouTube, but look at this. Any tradesmen there?
Different ones for getting into other places.
Look at what the poor guy's got a front, haven't we?
Just don't get so quiet.
I know. How's he going to get his hand down there? How's he going to get his hand down there? Look at that, I mean, look at that.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, darling. There's no such word as can't in the building trade.
I must say he's a good plasterer. He is a very, very good plasterer. And he's a nice guy as well.
Thank you very much.
And he does a lot of this film. He's got a GoPro, but I can't afford one because I don't charge as much as plasterers. But look at that. Oh yeah, Friday, that's it, Friday. What was I telling you? Friday over Thursday. Look at this. Where are my handies? Magnetic plaster. I have no idea what that means. I've never even heard of it. But anyway, listen, that's your 5 minutes. I've got to go back. And this is where I'm going afterwards. Back in here. This is what I did on Friday. Not bad day. Not bad day, really. Did pretty well. Right, see you guys. Bye-bye.